Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Solutions Nerds. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can improve your battery life on your iPhone. And I'm going to show you 7 steps in this video which can be really good for improve your battery life in iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So the first step is disable standby mode. How you can do that? Go to settings and settings, go down here, search for standby, then click on this and disable this option. Now let's go to number 2. Number 2 is share iPhone analytics. Disable this option. For that, go down here, search for privacy and security, click on this. Then go down here, search for analytics and improvements, click on this and disable the top option, share iPhone analytics. Now go back here, number 3 is personalized ads, and here you will see Apple advertising. Click on this and then disable this option, personalized ads, so it will not track your app and your battery life will be improved. Now let's back to number 4, app and website activity. For that, go to settings and settings, search for screen time, click on screen time, then click on app and website activity, click on this. If this option is enabled on your iPhone, just disable it, no work to do. Just disable this option, it will improve your battery life a lot. So mine is already disabled. If this is enabled, just disable it. Now let's go to number 5. Number 5 is disable the location services. For that, go to privacy and security. Now here you can see location services. If you want to enable this option, but do not enable it there for all of these. But for me, I'm already and always disable this option. It improve your battery life by more than a way. So go back. Now go to tracking. For tracking, you need to go to privacy and security. And here you can see this is the 6th number, and click on tracking and just disable this. It will improve your battery life on iPhone by way more than, because the application is not allowed to track you in the background. And the last one and not the least, this one is really good for gamers. If you are a gamer and play games on your iPhone, if you want to improve your battery life and also the gaming experience, what you need to do is go to journal, go down here, search for background app refresh, click on this and just click on background app refresh, click on this and then click on off. If you do not want for all of these, I'm not recommending that you allow all of these to be working in background, but if you want a great gaming experience, just disable this option and your battery life and gaming experience will be improved. So this was the quick video how you can improve your battery life in iPhone, and also at the end how you can improve your gaming experience. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.